Hi, this is Vizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable push to talk on Discord. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. When you're using one of the most popular VoIP apps in gaming, background noise and busy environments can overwhelm your friends' speakers. So enable push to talk in Discord to mute your mic or your microphone automatically until you're ready to hit the K and speak. So how to do it? If you want to enable this feature on your Discord, it's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our Discord, and from here, you can go to settings by clicking on the user settings. From user settings, you can just scroll down. You can go to voice and video. From voice and video, you can just scroll down and you'll find there is an option push to talk. You can enable this feature. So by default, this feature is off. You can enable by clicking on this toggle. So now you have enabled this feature, the push to talk, and before that you can enter the cabin. You can record the cabin to use the push to talk. Good. Maybe you want to uh, trigger the push to talk using this key. P. So you can also choose set the push to talk release delay. Maybe I will make it now like this. So now you have enabled this feature. So when you want to speak with your friends, you want to talk with your friends on Discord, you don't need to unmute or mute your microphone manually. You can just press the button that you just set on your push to talk on Discord. It's very simple, right? So that is how to enable push to talk on Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.